If you need to save a LibreOffice Writer document as a docx file, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're sending a document to someone who uses Microsoft Word or you just want a file format that's more widely compatible, saving as docx is easy once you know where to click. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice starts, open the Writer document that you want to convert into a docx file. This can be a brand new document or an existing file you've already been working on. After your document is open, look at the top of the screen and click File in the top menu. This is where LibreOffice keeps the main saving and exporting options. From the File menu, click Save As. This is the key step because Save As lets you choose a different file format instead of just saving in the default LibreOffice format. A save window will appear. In that window, look for the Save As Type drop-down menu. Click it and then select Office Open XML Text .docx. That is the file format used by Microsoft Word, so choosing this option will make your document compatible with Word users. Next, choose the folder or save location where you want the file to go. You can save it to your desktop, Documents folder, Downloads folder, or anywhere else that's easy for you to find later. Once you've selected the location, double-check the file name and make sure everything looks correct, then click Save. If LibreOffice shows a prompt asking you to use Word 2007 to 365 format, click Use Word 2007 to 365 format. This confirms that you want to keep the file as a docx document. After that, LibreOffice will finish saving your file in the docx format. And that's it. Your document is now saved as a docx file and ready to open in Microsoft Word or share with anyone who needs that format. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.